Welcome, guys. So let's solve this 2053 case distinct string array. So distinct string is a string represent only once in an array. So given array AR and the integer k, return a case distinct represent array. There is a fewer and k distinct string with an empty string. So note that strings considered in order. Also, in order is very important. Okay. So DBCBCA, so k equals to 2, you should return A because the only distinct one is only D and A. Okay, so the problem is that you should first go to the array and get a distinct one. Okay. And for this one is A, and you return 2. Okay, because the second is A. So you not need to maintain how many which one is distinct. You only need to remember the order. Okay, an array and yeah. Because each of them is are distinct, right? So k equals 1. What's the first happen is this, right? Also, for this one, no, right? So this is my idea is very easy, right? Just create a default dictionary and a count. So basically, I count count array. Okay, so I count how many of this, right? And if not in D, I just count it, and else I just get plus or 1. Okay, so this is count, and I go through the second times of array. Okay, and if it's 1, that means it's distinct. So I append the answer. So answer will collect all the distinct array. And the important is that since I go into this array, so I'm going to using the order, right? So the order is still preserved, right? So for example, if in this case your answer will be D and A, okay. And then now finally you just ask whether you have k distinct one. If you have a k distinct one, that means the length of the answer will greater or equal to k. Then you return the k minus 1, right? For example, if k is 1, you return the first one. Otherwise, you return empty. Yeah, I mean this is not optimal because but it's linear time. Okay, so very straightforward. Okay, so see you guys next videos.